because you've been living your life where you've been using and you've been dishonest. I'm sure with your parents, you never tell anybody, hey, I'm going out to use. So you have to build up your trust level now. Everything that you do has to be documented because people are going to question it. Do you understand? So
Today's courtroom drama is a roller coaster of second chances, broken trust, and legal consequences. We've got a defendant battling addiction, a no-nonsense judge who isn't pulling any punches, and some surprising twists along the way. Stick with us.
all right, where are we on discovery?
We've got the discovery judge. An offer has been tendered, and I just need to reset to go over the offer with my client, kind of go over things, make sure he understands. Mom, who hired me, would also like to be in that meeting, so I'm sure she'll ask questions for things that he'll want to know. He just doesn't know to ask.
All right, how old are you?
20.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 1 month reset for this case plea deadline date.
February 27th.
All right, why were you late for court?
I really don't got an excuse besides I got insomnia.
I'm sorry, what?
I really don't got an excuse, but I got insomnia.
He overslept, Judge, is what he's saying.
All right, so here's the thing. You need to be on time for court. Otherwise, you know what's going to end up happening? Whether you're 20 or 18, guess what? We'll make sure that you come on time. If you're not on time, we'll know where you are. You know how we'll know that?
Got my address.
I'm sorry, what?
I said, y'all got my address.
No, because you'll be in Orange and we'll bring you over from the jail. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How far did you go in school?
In school?
Yes.
10th grade.
All right, why did you only go to the 10th grade?
I dropped out
Why?
because there was like a lot of drama.
All right, so let me explain to you about drama. Drama is you coming before the court and not addressing the court properly. Drama is using slang and not proper English coming before the court. So my advice is you probably want to get your GED so that you can get a job, because now it is hard to get good employment without at least a high school diploma. And even if you have a high school diploma, it's still hard. Guess what? People who go to college, and I'm not talking to people who go to college and they're getting a degree in philosophy, finding a job. I mean, people who are going to college, getting a degree in engineering, biology, they're all having a hard time finding employment. So you come along and you don't even have a 10th grade education and you're trying to get employment, it does not look good. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you employed?
I was employed.
So that's a no, right? You're not working?
No, ma'am.
So that means that your mom or somebody is supporting you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you come back here on the 27th, you're going to come on time and you're going to address the court properly. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse?
Yes. Once you sign the reset form. Reyes, how are you doing? Not good. All right. So you know what our issues are, right? You continue to use. That's not good. And if you use, you could end up dying from that, right? So what have you been doing to try to help yourself?
I've been trying to do like some research. Just like anger management and all that stuff that you've been telling me to do.
All right. Well, I mean, that's good, but we got to resolve the issue of the positive for, here you go. We have to resolve the issue of you being positive
Yes,
for drugs.
I have an appointment with the TAP agency for like drug use and all that.
Mhm.
And I have yet to even talk to him about like recovery and all that.
So who are you living with?
My parents.
All right. And I'm pretty sure your parents are probably taking what you say at face value and you're probably being dishonest with them. Am I right? Because nobody goes to their loved ones and they ask them, how's your day going? I don't know anybody, unless they're so far down the rabbit hole. I don't know anybody who will say, oh, well, I just used some cocaine today. So I'm going to try to get the help that you need. I'm not trying to revoke you at this point, but you're going to have to work harder. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
On remaining sober. So probation. Go ahead and get his TAP done. But I want to see if Lifetime Recovery is willing to accept him. And we're going to do a referral to felony drug court. And you need to let them know and be honest with them about your usage. Felony drug court is a treatment program to help you maintain your sobriety. They're going to give you the tools you need, but they can only do that if you're open and honest with them. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, Bashan, let's do an alternate amend for a TAP evaluation. Do a referral to felony drug court and lifetime recovery.
That lifetime for outpatient services.
Well, let's see if, I'm going to see about inpatient, if they deem inpatient treatment is appropriate for him. So if they deem that inpatient treatment is appropriate, you're going to be an inpatient, okay?
Better than prison.
Oh, it is, because
I
what
appreciate that.
you're looking at 20 years potentially. It's better than prison, and it's better than potentially your parents having to identify your body, because that happens. And I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days.
Yes, Judge. Another issue that we're, not necessarily an issue, but a subject that we are trying to get clarification on, or direction from the court is the restitution, Judge.
Oh, yeah, the money. I was gonna start making payments because I started a couple projects and I should be able to start paying off the delinquent owing, because I know it's actually like almost $500.
All right, what's the issue with restitution probation?
Your Honor, we just want to close out the matter of restitution. From my understanding, and, from the supplemental report received, the other party in the case, they're not looking for any restitution.
Okay,
And I did speak with the state, and they don't have any notes or anything in regards to this.
all right, then we'll close off.
Here's where the stakes really hit home. The judge just closed out restitution, meaning no financial penalty for the defendant, but emphasized that his trust level is less than zero. Think about that for a second. In court, credibility is currency. Once it's gone, every step forward is under a microscope.
The restitution.
Your Honor, last time we talked, remember when you were saying, that the restitution, you know, like if I had injured them and all that stuff, like but like I was trying to tell you that I didn't really do anything to them. And like, I swear, like I really do, because I know I waived my trial
Mhm.
away, but I don't know if there's any way.
All right, so let me just explain something to you. And what I'm telling you, I used to always tell my clients this. Now, number one, they're saying that there is no restitution amount, so there's not going to be restitution. But number two, you know what your trust level is right now?
Zero.
No. And I would tell my clients this all the time. It's not zero, it's less than zero. And because you've been living your life where you've been using and you've been dishonest, I'm sure with your parents, you never tell anybody, hey, I'm going out to use. So you have to build up your trust level now. Everything that you do has to be documented because people are going to question it. Do you understand? So we're going to close out the matter of restitution, but you are going to do the TAP evaluation. You're going to be referred to felony drug court. Make sure you do not miss that appointment. You understand?
No.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Do better.
Appreciate it.
All right. So, you know, a judge has just texted me. Somebody is claiming they are in trial in this court. And they are not. I'm not going to mention the name, but when they come in, I'm going to have to ask them, why are you claiming to be in trial in this court when you're not? And why do people do that? That is so easy to check. So the text message was, hey, quick question. Is this attorney in trial in your court? And I'm like, no, they're not. The only trial we held is with Mr. Stevens, and I believe it's Meyer. But that attorney's name is, and they're like, thank you, explanation point.
Just like that.
See, people are always saying they are in this court.
And that's the end of today's session. The judge cut through excuses, closed out restitution, and placed the defendant on a strict path toward recovery through felony drug court and treatment. No money owed, but a mountain of responsibility ahead. This case isn't just about one person. It's about how the justice system balances accountability with rehabilitation. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.